Alright, so we're going to be putting that mount in today.
Yeah.
Finally.
On the frame looks pretty good. We just need to get a little bit more paint right here towards the back corner. And then I think that should be good. And then just the mount, if you want to just get the rest of that paint, get the paint off the mount. I see the problem. If that's hitting, this one's hitting. That's the problem sitting here. Now that the disc doesn't reach. Okay. Yeah.
Haha. I win.
Down a power forward. Extendo power. Bless you. Hey. Damn, fucking flux core is way different than the wire one.
There we go. It's still loose enough to kind of... You want to start with the back side down or the front side? Because right now that side's down. And I can tap this side down.
So right now, being in the engine bay, I like where the mount's sitting.
And also, I don't have my level with me. Actually, I do. Haha!
Was the other one level?
Damn!
Was the other one level in here?
I don't remember.
The Corey is on jack stand, so I'm not sure if that's going to be...
That's,
Put it on the frame rail. Let's see how level the frame rail is. It does look like it's got a little angle to it, but...
going like... sits back here, it does, but once it goes, it's not.
Alright, let's see if it matches the frame rail, like to the bubble on the back of the line.
Oh. Okay.
It's even more level than the frame rail shows it is.
Then yeah, I'd say tack it the way it is, and then once this side's tacked okay, we can hammer this side down.
Yeah, to me right here, it's pretty square. That's all, and then we'll just hammer it that way. So I'm gonna slug the inside of here because it looks like we can hammer this side down, and I'll slug in here, and then we'll hammer that down.
All right.
And I'll probably do a center one right here just so that'll hold it in the center too.
Let me check the angle on the camera. We're good. And I'm gonna check. Oh, you're missing one thing, sir.
Yes, I am. I think I can clip that right here, and then right there.
And here.
I get about 3 to 4 seconds. Maybe it is the power, because I get about 3 to 4 seconds of like okay-ish weld, and then it stops. It'll start to go, and then it like, and I can like watch my wire just dissipate from
Go
where
a
it's
little
at.
tighter. Try that.
Nope.
Nope. I think that's what it is.
Do we want to just leave it? Because I can just plug weld all these. Do we want to leave it, or do we want to hammer that towards the frame?
I think I want to hammer it a little bit towards the frame. The only reason it's up like that is from when I pulled it at the yard.
Okay, so this is contacting right here, so I'm going to do a tack weld.
You're going to plug that.
I'm going to tack weld it right there.
And back here is super close.
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, that one is touching. So if you want to plug that one.
Okay, plug that one.
And around.
Do the top. What the heck? That is fuel. That's fun. Yeah, that'd be a real exciting
it drained
video.
before I taped it, so that's
real exciting video. I see.
On today's video, we're gonna blow shit up. Hey, that sounds much better.
Way better.
I'm going right to the other side. We're gonna be on this side. right now you're doing the circle, right?
So I'm
I'm saying your technique, the circle technique. You're making little circles on it, or are you doing
yes.
a little half circle?
I'm doing circles. I kind of go back and forth depending on like how it fills.
Okay.
So if it's not filling well enough, then I might go back and do some like half moons. But if it's filling good enough, then I can do a full circle. That's what I'm doing now, and it's actually kind of like
it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's popping off, and then it's like catching it, popping off, catching it. So I'm just doing circles, and it's actually working really well.
Nice.
I have to say I'm writing like big number sixes.
Big number sixes?
Yeah, I'm doing like this, and then do a number 6, and then I go back and then do a 6. It's like a circle, then a 6, circle, then a 6.
Okay.
I'm kind of overing it to help build up for that gap. So this direction, half moons are working better for me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. You want any more anywhere else? I believe all the slugs are filled, and then a few here and there.
Are you able to get just along here?
Yeah, I did
Back
this whole
to where
corner.
that-
You want that right there, and then I'll do a wrap around this corner.
Thank you.
No problem.
I just want to ensure that that motor ain't going nowhere, you know?
Yeah, this mount's in here really good. I don't think so.
Dang, that's looking good.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to pull up anywhere. Not on the welds, at least.
Oh, no.
If anything, the bracket itself is going to fail.
Yeah, that ain't going nowhere.
It's not bad for Flex 4. If we had gas, we'd be way better looking.